Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're taking a look at one of the most compact but powerful appliances in the Instant family, the Instant Pot 4-quart Vortex 6-in-1 Mini Air Fryer. This is the perfect countertop companion for anyone who wants fast, crispy results without needing a full-sized oven. Whether you're cooking for yourself, a small family, or a dorm setup, this 4-quart model gives you serious performance in a small footprint. The Vortex Mini is built around Instant's EvenCrisp technology, which pushes superheated air from top to bottom for consistent, crunchy textures with very little oil. Fries come out golden, wings get that perfect crisp, and vegetables roast evenly without drying out. It's fast, efficient, and extremely easy to use. Even though it's compact, it still offers 6 full cooking functions: air fry, broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. That means one appliance can handle snacks, proteins, desserts, leftovers, and healthy dehydrated treats. You also get customizable program settings so you can save your favorite time and temperature combos for quick reuse, perfect for people who make certain dishes regularly. The 4-quart capacity is ideal for 1 to 3 servings, making it great for apartments, offices, students, or anyone who doesn't want a large appliance taking up space. The basket is non-stick, lightweight, and super easy to clean. Most users love that you can go from cooking to cleanup in minutes. The front control panel is simple and intuitive, with clear touch controls and quick access presets. Instant kept the design clean and modern, with a compact shape that fits under most cabinets without feeling bulky. It also has built-in safety features like overheat protection and auto shutoff, giving you confidence while cooking. If you need a small but powerful air fryer that's affordable, efficient, and built by one of the most trusted names in kitchen appliances, the Instant Pot Vortex Mini 6-in-1 is a fantastic choice. If you want to grab one, the Amazon link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow GadgetVerse for more product breakdowns and daily tech reviews.